you're doing well. So today's video is in collaboration with Foxy, a new platform that connects beauty influencers and artists with top brands and savvy shoppers. So today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful glitter eye makeup look. Now it seems a little difficult, but trust me, if you watch this video till the end, you will know how simple it is. So without making this intro any longer, let's dive right into it. Now I'm using Colorbar's Dreamland eyeshadow palette. Now there is a review of this palette on my channel already, so you can watch that video as well. The link is in the description box. Now as you can see, I'm covering the entire lid with the blue color. So just blending the color throughout the lid. Next I'm using this golden pigment. Applying this on the center of my lid using a very thin small angled brush. Now this color is really pigmented, so make sure you don't pick up too much of the product. Just focus on your blending and you'll get that amazing color payoff. Don't cover the entire lid, just on the lower part. Next, to cover the lash line, I'm applying Lakme's Insta liner. And then after adding some falsies, I'm going to highlight my eyes using this silver pigment, applying it on the inner corners. And also guys, don't forget your brow bone, it really defines your eyes. And that's it, the look is done. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to hit the like button, and also all the products that I've used today are available on Foxy. I will link them in the info box down below. Don't forget to check that out. And yes, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a video, and keep coming back for more videos.